today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, what the heck is happening with Bitcoin right now? I literally woke up like 30 minutes, 60 minutes ago. I opened the charts. I think this is the first thing every crypto holder is doing in the morning, and well, we are seeing very, very red candles. Now the question, of course, is this the beginning of a continuation here of this downwards trend, or are we going to reverse towards the upside? Going here into the charts quickly, I wanted to show you something. I mean, look at this on the 4-hourly charts. Bitcoin was consolidating, faking out, breaking down, confirming the breakdown and going lower. Right now I want to address the question whether we are going severely lower here for Bitcoin and also for the altcoins, or whether there are some indications that we can get a reversal anytime soon. I will talk about my trade, which is right now, of course, still profitable, but I think $800,000 in a profit instead of 2.4 million US dollars just like 2 weeks ago. I will talk about all of that. I will talk about my game plan and why what is happening right now shouldn't come with any surprise. I mean, it is coming with a surprise, but shouldn't come with any surprise if we are looking at it in a very specific way. I will talk about everything. First of all, thank you everyone for watching here. Thank you everyone for joining this early morning emergency, literally emergency live stream here. And of course, for smashing up the like button to a new all-time high. I truly appreciate every single one of you and your support as well, especially here in these emergency times. I make a quick sound check. Is everything okay? Perfect. Very good, very good. So, beautiful. I will go into the Q&A a little bit later on in this video. Now I want to address, of course, the most important things here, the most important question everyone is asking right now, whether this is the beginning of a severe downtrend. And I wanted to start first of all on the 4-hour, to the daily and to the weekly, where we can get a little bit more of a grasp what's actually happening here. So first of all, on the 4-hourly candles, we can see we had this nice upward sloping channel, which of course it's not legit on the logarithmic chart, but just look at this. So we broke down, confirmed the breakdown here. Actually, multiple times we touched it, and we were back then hoping for Bitcoin breaking back above there into the channel. However, in the end, we got rejected and we broke down. And what I want to tell you is, until I woke up, actually, this was a very valid Wyckoff pattern. This Wyckoff pattern is right now invalidated, and you can see this if I am going over into our Wyckoff chart here. You can see this one was perfectly playing out until we went below this. What I was mentioning yesterday, and please guys, go to the video and watch it. I'm not BSing here. For everyone who watched the video, you will remember it. It was a few hours ago. I told you our Wyckoff pattern is perfectly playing out, and as long as we are not breaking 46,800, we can expect a bullish reversal towards the upside. However, what I said is, the moment we are breaking 46,800, we can expect a move towards the downside. Unfortunately, this was happening. If you would have asked me yesterday, I would have said I expect this to be the less likely scenario. However, I said if we break below, I expect a downtrend. And well, so far we are breaking below. Interestingly enough, we are also supported now by the earlier support lines here in this area here, and right now still Bitcoin is finding support. The question remains, are we going to hold it? First of all, I wanted to show you that with this breakdown here, let me quickly pull that out, we would have an M pattern, and this M pattern breakdown is right now perfectly playing out. Not only that we hit the price target, with the new 4-hourly candle we are breaking even lower. So all of these things, guys, and I don't wanna play around here. All of these things are not bullish for Bitcoin. All of these things are a little bit more unfortunate. But let's focus on what's happening here right now. So first of all, Bitcoin is still holding this support. And one thing which is a little bit concerning for me, if I am going over to the daily candles, and by the way, guys, honestly, on the live streams, it's more important than ever that you're just taking 1 second out of your day. You're going below, pressing the like, and also leaving some comments down below, because the more you are making noise for the algorithm, the more you are helping me to carry this content out in the world, the more you are helping YouTube to understand that this is actually relevant content and that it has to be shown to people. So if you just smash the like button, you share it among your friends, like WhatsApp, Telegram, wherever you want. If you don't want, no problem. But if you could share it, just like whatever, or just like the video at least, you can help this video to be spread out, and you can help YouTube to understand that this video needs more impressions, and we can onboard more people to the Crypto community. Thank you so much for that. Now let me go over back here into it. So on the daily candles, I wanted to zoom out a little bit and show you what's actually happening here. Because if we are pulling out the VPVR on the daily candles, there you can see on the on the horizontal the volume. So on whatever price levels we traded the most, and as you can see, we have two big clusters right here and right there. And the thing is that right here there is a big hole. And if I am zooming in, I can't zoom in too much, but if I'm zooming in a little bit, you can see that the price is right now actually hovering around exactly on the cliff of that hole. So if Bitcoin goes a little bit lower, the next support is only coming in at 41,000. So if we are getting a daily candle close below 43.6, once again, we can expect a big downfall. Just as I said yesterday, if Bitcoin closes below 40, let me quickly zoom in again, I don't want to say anything wrong here. I said yesterday, if we close below 46.8, we can expect a big downfall, and we saw it again. Now I'm telling you, if Bitcoin closes below here, below this line, 44,000, we can expect another drop down to 41. It is always if, because just a second. What makes a profitable trader, what makes a good trader profitable in the long run is that we are prepared for every scenario. We cannot play the guessing game and go long before breaking resistance. We cannot go short before breaking support. We need a scenario calculation. When A happens, we do A. When B happens, we do B. And I know right now, with a high degree of certainty, if we are breaking now furthermore 44,000, likelihood is high that we are going down for another retest of the 41,000 US dollar levels. As long as we are holding it, we are holding the support. The last few times we were ditching down to the specific support, right here, pump towards the upside, right there, pump towards the upside, and right here, huge pump towards the upside, we were holding it. The more often support is going to be tested, the more likely it is to be broken. However, so far, this is significant support. And however, so far, we can expect this support to potentially hold until it is broken, of course. I wanted to go into a little bit of the comment section here, whatever questions you might have, before I am going back and show you what I am doing with my specific trade here. You can see 10 million US dollars in this trade. Am I going to get wrecked or not? $840,000. Just a second. Seems like a nice thing, right? But not if you have been already 2.4 million US dollars in a profit. I wanted to go quickly here into the comment section. Just quickly. Can I see the comment section for a second? Sorry, I'm having a friend because with this way of streaming, I have a big problem because I can't see the comment section. So I will go here into the comment section just for a second to see what you guys are having to say here right now. Wow, this is criminal. YouTube should list this on the top. Wow, it's really early in the morning, guys. I hope you are smashing up the like button. Perfect. Close your position, Chris. Got the number. What camera are you using? Okay. So close the position. I will talk about this. Stock market crash. Oh, this is interesting. If the stock market is crashing, of course, we always see some kind of correlation with the crypto market. Short, some people are asking short. I will address all of these questions. If you leave quickly your favorite altcoins down below, it will be even a little bit easier. Big fan, Chris. Yeah, thank you, guys. Man, I love everyone of you. Wow, we are getting more. We are getting more. Smash it up, guys. Let's hit 1,000 likes. Come on. E-gold down bad. Yeah, this is true. I will address this as well. Head and shoulders on the 1 daily. Interesting. Slavic. Nice. Yeah, this is Slavic here. Famous guy from Germany. Crypto face is shorting. So, okay, I'm here. Perfect. I got a few questions. Thanks, man. Thank you very much. So let's go over and address these questions. I wouldn't short here. So what if you are looking out for a short position? I'm not shorting, you know this. But the moment to short was the moment we broke the support. I said if we break the support, I don't think it's the most likely scenario, but I said if we break the support, I'm expecting a big downfall. We got the big downfall, but now that we got it, I wouldn't short here. What you can do, however, is, and I'm not doing it myself, but what you can do is if we are breaking this support here, which held the whole Wyckoff pattern before, if we are breaking this support, this will be a new moment to short. Right now we are just at support. We don't short at support. Wait for the support to be broken and only then short Bitcoin. Of course, if this is happening, if we are breaking the support here, likelihood is not the lowest that this is a continuation of a waterfall where we are seeing a waterfall right here and another waterfall right there. However, don't do it directly at support. Likelihood is there that we are getting a strong bounce and that Bitcoin is reversing towards the upside. Please, guys, be very careful with that. Let's quickly entertain the idea of like the biggest W pattern in the history of mankind, because I saw some comments according to that. For this, we would need a bounce here, because what we can see here is potentially the first W here, the first V here, and if we are reversing higher than before, then this can be a huge, huge W pattern. However, in a W pattern traditionally, what we want is the second low to be higher than the first low. And so far this is the case, but if we are breaking support, this is not gonna be the case below 43,400. So what we need is a reversal before breaking the previous low here to get a very legit and nice, beautiful W pattern. Something else which is a little bit concerning, I always wanna be like honest with you. I just don't want this bull run to end just as much as you don't want it to end. But with this new 4-hourly candle, right now, look at this. The EMA ribbon is flipping bearish right now, and it is inevitably flipping bearish. Just like if the price pumps $8,000 within the next 4 hours, we could prevent this from happening. So what you can see here is just here, this bearish flip. Here we flip bullish, was a fake out to be honest, and now we are flipping bearish again. And of course, when we flipped the last time bearish, it was right here. It was of course after the fact, but in the end, we still had a longer downtrend here for Bitcoin. So usually the EMA ribbon flipping bearish is not the nicest thing in the world. Perfect. So here I'm back in the live video. First of all, guys, I just checked it, we are very early. I don't think I have ever made a live stream so early in the morning. So of course the traffic on YouTube is a little bit lower, but you can still do your own part and go down below and smash up the like button. I already see many people did that. Thank you so much for that. If you are still watching this video and you didn't smash it up, it's your own right. But go down below, use this finger and press like. It would really cheer me up a lot, and probably it gives you some good karma as well. Maybe I go around a little bit and I show you around where I was living for the last 1 year here. I'm moving actually my location now to a villa, but this was a beautiful place before I'm going over maybe into the altcoins, which is something very, very interesting. So you can see this is the lobby. There I'm always parking my car directly in front of the door. And here we are always sitting down in the morning, drinking water, sometimes an espresso, procrastinating for a few hours before we are going to the gym. Yeah, there's a lot of procrastination going on, but usually we are making videos, working on content and stuff. Yeah, this is a little bit here from my private life. I will show you soon also where I am moving to. All you have to do is just go to Instagram and follow me at ChrisMMCrypto with the blue verification checkmark. There are a lot of scammers, so make sure you're only joining you are only following the verified account, and there I will show you everything, not only from my daily life, from mindset, crypto content, everything in stories and posts and whatever, like on a daily basis. Then also in the video description down below, you will find a link to our Telegram channel. It's called Crypto Alerts. We have like 46,000 people in the group. We have almost 20,000 people in the alerts channel. Everything is for free, and these groups will always remain for free. I am pushing content for free there, and it's just fun for me to reach a lot of people. I like to talk to you guys, so make sure you join us there. It's never gonna be a paid subscription or anything. Go down below, click the link and follow us over there. I'm posting like my videos and my thoughts, my chart patterns in absolute real time, sometimes even before I can go live on a video. So make sure you follow us there. The link is down below in the video description. Just click the link and you will find it. Now let's go over to the altcoin section. And before I am here specifically going, oh wow, look at this, a new 4-hourly candle just opened and we flip bearish. This is interesting. Look at this. Wow. This 4-hourly candle just opened literally just like 20 seconds ago with this bearish flip here. Honestly, it is more likely to continue bearish than to continue bullish because we're having this flip. We broke the support. Stock market, as I heard, is going down. So yeah, interesting guys. I will be here for you. This is something I can tell you for sure. I want to go over to the total market cap and go to the weekly candles here. As you can see, the total market cap is breaking down. And something I mentioned earlier is that on this top here, the total crypto market cap was on knife's edge. And what we needed here, we still need it, but it's getting a little bit more unlikely as the time is passing, is a break of the previous high here. We needed to break with the total crypto market cap. This is the total crypto market cap. It's the Bitcoin market cap plus the altcoin market cap. We needed to break the $2.4 trillion level. Why? Well, let me zoom out a little bit and show you why. Because what we were seeing here was this big run towards the beginning of the year, towards this high. Then we got a rejection, we got an amazing bounce here. However, now it looks like a dead cat bounce. Because what happens if we are not getting above this? Likelihood is high to go lower actually with this market cap, with the total crypto market cap. And the problem is, if this downtrend continues here, that we would form an M pattern on the total crypto market cap. And this M pattern can be deadly because breaking this M pattern to the downside would provide us a very, very terrible prediction here in terms of Bitcoin, but especially in terms of the altcoins. And I don't want to sound here extremely bearish. I'm just showing you what happens if. And if we are breaking below here, of course, I don't expect this price target to be hit because we're just stupid to assume would go towards the old bear market lows. I don't think this is happening, but what can happen is of course some trickling down here and some massive washout here, especially from the altcoins. That's why I am majority 75% in Bitcoin, because this risk is always there. So far I wouldn't freak out. So far I wouldn't go all too crazy here, but if we are breaking the previous low here at 1.83 trillion US dollars, then we can expect actually at least a retest here of the 1.3 trillion US dollar level on the total crypto market cap. If you want to check it out yourself, just go over and type in total over on TradingView. If you type in total, you will see this. So let's wait and see and just hope for this not to be an M pattern on the total crypto market cap. Now let's go over to Elrond. As many people were talking about Elrond as well. Let's go here into the 4-hourly and let's see what's happening here. So far, so as you can see this, I was telling you that we were hitting the 38.2. Would be of course nice to get a bounce here. Now that we broke the 38.2, we can always expect the next Fibonacci retracement level to come into place, and this is actually playing out right now. We are going into the 61.8, and we can just hope with all our forces that we are going to hold this, because the next one would be actually the 168 US dollar level. Am I still in Elrond? Yes, I am in Elrond. I am holding Elrond in my holding portfolio. It's of course not 2 million US dollars anymore. It's like 1.5 million US dollars still. So I am holding my Elrond, and I am still thinking that Elrond is going to at least outperform Solana here. So even if we are seeing a bear market, for example, I expect Elrond to go down less than Solana. If we are seeing a continuation of the bull trend, I expect Elrond to go much higher than Solana in percentage terms. So perfect. You know what, guys, let me quickly see here. This is my trade now. This is what I wanted to talk about. So what you can see here, 10 million US dollars in this trade. On the bottom right hand side, you can see 860,000 US dollars, 870,000 US dollars in a profit here. And yes, I am keeping this trade open. However, there is one moment where I am going out of my trade, and people have been waiting for this moment. Some people have been waiting for me to finally talk about this moment. Big shout out to Carl from the Moon, who was popping up here. Actually, I have to use this chart here to show you exactly where I'm gonna go out. So far I'm not, because we are at support. This is not a moment to short. This is not a moment for me to go out of my trade, because going out of my trade is shorting into a long position. I'm not doing this because we can see a bounce here. However, if we are breaking below this and closing below, getting volume confirmation, this is when I'm going out of my trade. I will scale out in a profit. However, it will be very unfortunate considering that I was almost 2.4 million US dollars in a profit. So if you're in a trade right now, if you're in a profitable trade right now or whatever, I wouldn't go short yet. I would wait for Bitcoin to break the support. The moment we are breaking support, this is the moment I am going out of my trade. I'm shorting in my long position to close off my trade. Not shorting Bitcoin, but I'm shorting into my long position. Anyway, guys, let it be for not for today, but for now. I will end the live stream for now. I will come to you very soon with either another live stream or another recorded video. All you have to do is go down below, press subscribe, press the bell and press on all. This way you can make sure that you are going to stay notified whenever I'm releasing my next video, because as you can see, these ones are very time sensitive. Another thing you can do is go down to the description down below and join the Crypto Alerts channel, where you are getting the notifications of my videos as well, where you are getting my chart patterns, my price predictions and my trade updates as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for smashing up the like button, and we are going to see each other very soon at the next one of Crypto. And as always, guys, bye bye.